hard.
It's too hard?
No,
Daddy
you're
should get
right,
you a
because you were the one who said it.
You need to make an X, a cut, like, you need to make a water pole.
How do you make an X?
Like this.
Oh. And how do you make a T?
Right.
Very good. She made a hexagon today.
You made a hexagon?
Miss Christina, how may you make this?
Yeah, what is that?
A T.
Oh, for tap.
Like tap, 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 tap. No stop.
Why don't you use your spoon?
No.
You're going to break your bottle.
She dropped her choppy sticky.
Top is sticky.